Voice changer on Facebook Messenger during call. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first thing you have to know is this feature is only available in Xiaomi phones directly, but if you still want to use it in other Android phones, what you have to do is simply head over to Play Store and search for voice changer. Simply download any of these application. After that, you just have to use this mic for calls or sending voicemails. So as you can see by this, you can change your voice to different types like little girl, baby boy, mature man, and many more. So yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.